Hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. And this video is going to be an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. Here is the phone comes with the infinity display, dual camera setup in front, and Samsung Pay supported. This one is 64GB variant and powered by 64-bit octa-core processor, 6GB RAM, pretty much good, and water resistance too. Here's the sponsor of this video, Selvam Mobiles. They provide the best price for this phone. If you want to buy, just give the promo code of D1808. And these are the inside of the box. Well, I feel good for this phone because of the hard shell and some quick guides, then charger, only one phone, and also a headset. So the charger is of about 2 ampere output, good for 3500 milliampere battery, and the headset is in ear style, no extensible buds, and USB-C type for data syncing and charging. Physical overview of this phone is bottom having the charger port and 3.5mm jack for headset and also main microphone, and on the right side you have the lock unlock and the main speaker. Well, talking about this top, you have the SIM card slots and external microphone for your video recording, well, active noise cancellation. Talking about the SIM slots, you have the SIM 2 and micro SD for one side. It's in the top side, and let's move on to this right side. So no, it's not right side, it's the left side. You have the SIM ejecting place, it's a main SIM and also volume rockers, no Bixby buttons. So on the back you have the 16 megapixel main shooter. Beneath you can see a fingerprint sensor, and the right side you have USB flash. At the front you have the dual setup camera, 16 and 8 megapixel for your selfie, and a LED notification and couple of sensor, then speaker for your mobile phone calls. Well, this is the first boot of this phone. Here's the lock screen, looks like 6, always on Super AMOLED display, having some notification. So this glance screen is pretty much good in Super AMOLED display phones. Here's the home screen, it looks like this, pretty much decent one, normal to all these series, and some pre-installed apps running on 7.1.1 Nougat, little bit older version, but the Samsung don't have any updates via on the air. Well, the notification is expanded by once and having some toggle switches. By the way, if you expand it twice, you can see little bit more toggle switches, and this goods pretty much fine to see, and lots of switches here to switch on and switch off for this phone. So if you want to buy it, just go to the description and see. Well, that's all about this video, guys. Like, subscribe, share, and meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.